Hello there, this is a short demo of CircuitPython just to show what's going on with using the Circuit Playground Express from Adafruit. This particular chip is quite unique. It has a number of devices built on board, including these NeoPixels. That's what's changing color and rotating in a circle right now. One of the features that are on here is if you flip the switch, it now travels in the other direction. So you can do that with a simple built on-board switch. You can also press the individual buttons. You can make the lights dimmer, or when you press the other side, they get brighter. So it has a few features on it. Also, there's a tap sensor. Hopefully you were able to hear those tunes. And those are quite easy. It also has infrared detectors. It has a number of other sensors. Of course, the little speaker built into it to play those files. It has a microphone built into it as well. It's quite a unique device that has a lot of devices built onto it, and it can be programmed using either CircuitPython or Aduino, depending on how you set it up. And to show you some other code, I have another little file here. It'll reboot in a second when I put this on. So it looks right now it isn't doing anything, but I actually have some touch sensitive pads here, so I can go out here and I can set some light colors. So I have it set up for various colors along here. And you can see I can do that. I can also tap it. The lights turn red. I also have the ability for the switch here. If I change the switch, it gets much brighter. That's its maximum brightness. And there it is down into a much dimmer light. I can also press the button, put it back into a mixed color mode, or I can just shut the lights off. I have all those features built into this little board. So there's a number of things that we can do here. There's no actual switches. Those are capacitive sensitive. So when you press them, they work. The lights come on in whatever order you deem required just by touching the proper pads. And that's basically it. But that gives you some little ideas. It has also a built-on little red LED there, and a green to tell you that power is supplied. So those are the two tiny little ones that are at this end of the board. You can see them. It's a nice little form factor. It's not very big, and it has a lot of capabilities to it. So if you want to play around with something and you want to learn a bit about programming, either with Aduino or using CircuitPython from Adafruit, give this little board a try. It's called the Playground Express. So it's the CircuitPython Playground, or the CircuitPython, we'll get this straight, Circuit Playground Express from Adafruit. That's Adafruit, and it's a company out of New York that actually makes these boards, designs them, builds them, and they do it all there at their Manhattan factory. So it's really neat, and it's nice to see a local supplier, as in North America, building something. And they're reasonable cost for what they can do. They have a fair bit of capability built into them. And these are a learning platform. So go ahead and give it a try. I'll talk about the Cricut that attaches to this at a future time once I pick one up. They're currently out of stock. It's a brand new item that expands the use of this board tremendously. Till later, thanks for watching.